This video shows how to install SSL security on your web server. So what I have here is my web server, and I have installed Letsencrypt, which is for free. I don't know how those guys did this job. And since I'm on my web server, you will see that I have here my website, which is in this case called, one is called ready.net, and in here I already installed the HTTPS, and I want to do the same on my codedoku.de German site. So this is my German site. It's in HTTP. This is the unsecured version, and this is the secured version. I have already installed it on this one, but I want to also install it on www. And so we have to do it like this. I installed Letsencrypt. You go there to Letsencrypt and download their Windows version, and then you start it. Oh yeah, and here are my this is my web server. And you see on my web server I have installed those two websites, the codedoku and the ready. And now the Let's Encrypt version. Now I double clicked it on there. The Let's Encrypt sees all that stuff. I say okay, create a new one, new, a single binding, yes, one. And then I say, okay, codedoku, that's what you have seen without www. And then the other one is 6 www. So I say 6. I want to add it also on there. Now, Let's Encrypt does the job, and it looks up in the IIS server. I don't know how they did, but it's really a great job. And now everything is done. You don't have to do anything more. And you will find in your web server, normally, when you go there and you look for the bindings, then you will see there's now the HTTPS for codedoku and for codedoku with www on port 443. So this is now running. You have nothing else to do than to run this small script, and the script will run every day and renew its the certificate. So this is now 20. It will be updated in 1 month. That's necessary for the SSL. And what you also should do, you should also add this one on your web on email clients. So that's very important that you secure your emails, since this is a big problem for the that your provider, all providers which route your initialization to your email server, they track your number and your login account. So if you trust the telecom or the Arco, then it's okay. But if they listen it, or if your traffic is routed and through any international US companies, then when the initialization is done, then they also get your password. So look there for getting the SSL stuff, and you get it here with this stuff. And now I'm canceling that site. It's quite easy. Take it from there, see, and quit, and that's it.